that is how. Wait, I need to pull it more down, just like that. Voila. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see by the title of the video, I'll be shooting a hair video featuring Sunber hair, and it's my second time collaborating with them. They literally have the best silky and affordable hair, guys, and I can't wait for you guys to see how the hair looks after I have plucked the hair. So yeah, please do watch, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. So this is how the wig looks after I have glued the wig down with my got to be freezing gel spray or something. I don't know what you say, but it's this right here, this yellow can, and that's what I used to lay this wig. And honestly, I'm just like, I'm just loving the hairline. Like, it's just giving me, I don't know, it's just giving me something, you know. So I like the texture of the hair, and yeah, that is how the hair looks, guys. Guys, just look at that. Like, just look at that right there. Honestly, like, get it together. I don't know if should I cut the lace now or should I start styling, but I think let me actually quickly get my hair done, and then I'll come back to you guys with a review and show you how the hair looks after. So for this hair, guys, I'm going to be using my olive oil ORS wrap and setting mousse. This will help you to get like that flat hairline, and also it will melt your lace frontal. That's what I do. And then I do the same on the other side. Oh, my hands are the ghetto. Oh my god, that was too much, but that is fine, because you see what I mean? Like, if you want that flat look or style, I don't know what you guys call it, that is what you use, guys. Wait, let me just do that. And also it will give you like a shiny look. Can you see how it's adding like moisture and shine to the hair? This is why I love using this wrapping mousse. Like, it is the best. And now you can see how your hair is going to be after you've ironed. I think I need to pluck more there, but that is not straight to train smash, because you can always go back with plucking. But that is how this bob looks. I don't know if should I do like a natural hairline, or I want to go for like baby hairs. But you guys know that baby hairs are my thing, right? So I'm definitely gonna put baby hairs on this hair. I'm not really gonna put too many products on this hair because it's still new, and I wanted to have like la texture-y, you know what I mean? So that's why I'm not going to add a lot. I'm just gonna add like my oil, like much better. Oh, the lighting is so much better because I was so annoyed by that brightness. But right now I'm going to be using my hot comb that I got from Amazon. I'll put everything in the description box down below if you guys need that. So I'm just gonna quickly like switch it on, and then get it starting. Okay, so now it's heating up. Wait. It's heating up. Let it heat up, and then I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do. Honestly, truly, and just I don't know. I feel like it gets a sabotage by not eating because I am so hungry. And guys, also when you're using a hot comb, you need to be very careful. This thing is very hot. Like, I don't know how people just hold it and ingati. This is very, very hot. So yeah, I think it's hot enough now. So okay, so I was shooting on my camera, but my camera's off now and I'm charging it and I'm going to use it later. So I just wanted to quickly show you guys how it looks. I need to remove that, which is not a problem. So I'm going to continue cutting the lace until, wait, I'm going to do that. Okay, so I need to quickly lay that again, but that is what I am going to do. Yeah. Ouch, this thing is so hot. And the last time I switched it on was like 30 minutes ago. Okay, not 30 minutes ago, like 10 minutes ago. Why is it so hot? So now that that is done, guys, this bob is to die for. I'm literally fainting. Like, wow. Like, guys, this bob is literally everything that I ever wanted in a bob. Like, and I didn't even put too many products. Guys, can you just like, can you like just look at that? Like, love, son. I love this hair. Oh my god. Not done my baby hairs yet. I'm not really feeling the baby hairs vibes, but this is how it looks. Stuff where, sis, stuff where. Ooh, girl.